Lush jungle clearing, sunlight filtering through trees, elder sacred elephant standing proudly in center with soft glowing aura, 3D cinematic cartoon style, peaceful magical atmosphere. Two young elephants walking curiously through jungle, playing near glowing plants, elder elephant watching from afar, magical soft lighting, 3D kids animation. Young elephants discovering glowing magical plant in forest clearing, amazed expressions, sparkles floating around, whimsical 3D animation style. Elephants standing bravely in front of glowing plant, elder elephant beside them, small forest animals hiding safely, magical soft light, 3D cartoon hero moment. Elder and young elephants standing together, glowing plant shining softly, forest animals around peacefully, sunlight breaking through trees, 3D whimsical happy ending.